Hello everyone. In previous lecture we had find out an interrelationship between gamma, G, E and SR. So this is the output or this is the result or this is the relation gamma equal to gamma W G plus E into SR by 1 plus E, or rho equal to rho W G plus E into SR by 1 plus E. So these are the relationship between them. So now we are going to discuss or we apply some conditions to modify these formulas. So let us see the condition. First condition is when the soil is fully saturated. So for fully saturated soil, SR or degree of saturation, SR equal to 1. So then gamma changes to gamma sat equal to rho W G plus E, as in place of SR value is 1. So that the formula changes to E by 1 plus E. So the final output is gamma dash equal to gamma W G plus E by 1 plus E, or in terms of rho sat equal to rho W G plus E by 1 plus E. Next condition or second condition, when the soil is fully dry. So degree of saturation is 0, SR value equal to 0. So we write here gamma D, dry unit weight, gamma D equal to gamma W into G. Why G? As this is the actual relation, so SR value equal to 0. As SR value equal to 0, the total term is 0. So final output is G gamma W by 1 plus C whenever the soil is fully dry. So gamma D equal to G gamma W by 1 plus E. Or in terms of rho, the formula is rho D equal to G rho W by 1 plus E. Next relationship, relation between percentage air void, notation is Na, void ratio E, and degree of saturation SR. So we have to find out the relationship between Na, E and SR. So first work is or first duty is to draw the three-phase diagram, same as previous one, same. Here also we have to consider the volume of solid equal to 1, volume of water equal to EW, VB equal to E, total volume equal to 1 plus E, like this. So again we know degree of saturation, SR equal to VW by VB, or implies SR equal to EW by E. Already we had done this up to this equation in the previous derivation. So SR equal to EW by E, as VW equal to EW and VB equal to E from this figure, or we consider here, or implies EW equal to E into SR. Give it equation 1. Again, percentage of air void Na equal to, we know this formula, Va by V, volume of air by total volume of soil, or implies Na equal to, in place of Va we change it Vb minus Vw, volume of void minus volume of water by total volume, or implies Na equal to, again we change it, in place of Vb we write E minus, in place of Vw Ew by 1 plus E from the three-phase diagram, or implies Na equal to E minus, we put the value of EW E into SR from equation 1 divided by 1 plus E, or implies Na equal to, we take the common E, so E into 1 minus SR by 1 plus E. This is the actual formula or actual relationship between Na, E and SR. Again we apply two conditions. So first condition is what? For fully saturated soil, SR equal to 1. So we put 1 here. So the total Na equal to 0, the value of Na equal to 0. Again second one is when fully dry soil or the soil is fully dry, at that time SR equal to 0. So Na equal to E into 1 minus 0 by 1 plus E, or implies the result is E by 1 plus E. So this is the relation. This is the main relation and these are the two conditions. Next relation between water content W, dry unit weight gamma D and bulk unit weight gamma B. So this is a three-phase diagram. We know W equal to or water content equal to weight of water by weight of solid, WW by WS. Here we add 1 on both sides. So what happened? Now W plus 1 equal to 1 plus WW by WS, or implies 1 plus W equal to, here we add this one, so WS plus WW by WS, or implies 1 plus W equal to WS plus WW equal to total W. So we write here total W divided by WS, or implies we cross multiply it, WS equal to W by 1 plus W. Again after that we divide total volume V on both sides. On both sides we divide the total volume V. So WS by V equal to W by V into 1 plus W. This is the next term. Again we know WS by V equal to gamma D, dry unit weight, equal to W by V. This term W by V is the bulk unit weight gamma B, or we can also write gamma only, no issue, divided by 1 plus W, or implies gamma B or bulk unit weight equal to gamma D into 1 plus W. This is the actual relation between gamma B, gamma D and W. Gamma B equal to gamma D into 1 plus W. Again in terms of rho we can write rho B equal to rho D into 1 plus W. So this relation or this formula is the most important, as we have to solve many problems by applying this relationship. So remember this one. Next relation between dry unit weight gamma D, percentage air void Na, specific gravity G and water content W. So we have to find out the relationship between gamma D, Na, G and W. So this is the three-phase diagram showing all the volumes and weight of the given soil, solid, water and air. So from figure or from three-phase diagram, total volume V equal to Vs plus Vw plus Va. Again dividing total volume V on both sides. So V by V equal to Vs plus Vw plus Va by V. We divide V on both sides. So V by V equal to 1. Again we segregate it, Vs by V plus Vw by V plus Va by V. Or implies 1 equal to Vs by V plus Vw by V plus Va by V equal to Na, we know Na, or implies 1 minus Na. We take this Na to the left side, so minus 1 minus Na equal to, here we change this one. So first we write down in the right part gamma W, already discussed in previous relationship. Gamma W or unit weight of water equal to WW by VW equal to VW, or implies we have to change the VW value and Vs. We have to change their places. So VW equal to WW by gamma W. Similarly, gamma S equal to unit weight of solid equal to WS by Vs, or implies Vs equal to Ws by gamma S. So we put these values in place of Vs and Vw. So right here, so Ws by gamma S into V plus Ww by gamma W into V. So these are the values. Or implies 1 minus Na equal to Ws, again divided by, in place of gamma S we have to change this one. So G equal to, we know specific gravity of soil solid, G equal to gamma S by gamma W, or implies gamma S equal to G into gamma W. So we write this one here. So G into gamma W into V plus, again we know we change this value WW, like We know water content W equal to WW by WS, or implies WW equal to W into WS. So we put it here, W into WS by gamma W into V, or implies 1 minus Na equal to, so WS by V, this term is the gamma D, dry unit weight, divided by G into gamma W, plus again here WS by V. So W into gamma D, Ws by V is the dry unit weight, gamma D divided by gamma W, or implies 1 minus Na equal to, so we take the common gamma D by gamma W both side, here also gamma D by gamma W, here also gamma D by gamma W. So we take the common, so gamma D by gamma W within bracket 1 plus G plus W, or implies 1 minus Na equal to gamma D by gamma W, we add this one 1 plus Wg by G, or implies we cross multiply this, so gamma D equal to the value 1 minus within bracket G gamma W, so cross multiplication divided by 1 plus Wg. This is the relation between gamma D, then Na, G and W. And in terms of rho, we can write rho D equal to 1 minus Na rho Wg by 1 plus Wg. So this relationship also most important. In many times we have to apply this formula. So for this lecture this much. In next lecture we are going to solve different problems based on these interrelationships. Thank you.